Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer LT 4-cylinder. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, really in nice shape. Let's give it a quick walk around and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. White color with those black wheels. Super sharp. All right, let's take a closer look. All right, we're taking a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Headlamp on the passenger side looks good. Lower light looks good. Grill's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Upper lamp looks good. Lower lamp looks good. Very nice condition. It's got a little blemish here on the bumper. Besides that, looks good. Hood's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Giving it a quick walk around here. Beautiful condition overall. All right, let's look at the windshield. Windshield looks good. Very nice condition. Does have a small little chip right there. Right there, another little mark there. Besides that, looks good. Front fender, driver's side looks good. Driver door's in great shape. Very nice condition. Rear door on the driver's side also in very nice condition. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Walking on the back. Bumper in the back looks good. Rear hatch is in nice shape. Super nice condition. Glass is in beautiful shape. Looks good. Very nice condition overall. All right, let's look at the quarter panel. Quarter panel on the passenger side looks good. Very nice. Rear door on the passenger side looks good. Very nice condition. This molding here has some scratches on it. You can see there. And also this one has some scratches on it here. Besides that, looks good. Front door on the passenger side, really nice condition. Front fender on the passenger side looks good. Let's take a look at the windshield from this side. Good shape. Does have another little chip mark there. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in nice shape. Really nice condition overall. Beautiful shape. Okay, that concludes our walk around in this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior and then we'll take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Look at the controls. Rear hatch controller there. Very nice. Handle looks good. Take a look at the actual driver's seat. Beautiful condition. Full set of power right there. With lumbar and everything. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks good. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, very nice shape, super clean. Take a look at the controls, handle, very nice condition. Passenger seat in the front, beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape, very nice. Take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Full set of floor mats, rugs are in beautiful shape. Right here in the center, USB plugs to charge, AC vents, very nice. Take a look at the liner, really amazing condition. Take a look at the rear, passenger side door panel, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear seats, beautiful shape all the way through, looks amazing. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2024. We're going to go ahead and start it up. It's a Blazer LT. Key fob, lock unlock, remote start, power hatch. Super nice. So let's go ahead and we're going to set the key down here. We're going to press the start button. Starts up right away. Look at that. Super nice. This one has very good miles. This one has 21,000 431 miles, super nice. All right, this one has RPMs, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It's got a really nice information center. You can scan through it here. Look at that, super nice. It's got the driver assist also, so that's nice. Helps you keep in the lane. Super nice. Okay, so let's look at a couple more features here. This is the collision alert in the front. You could set up the distance if you'd like there. This is for the information center. We're just messing with it. Right here is for the Bluetooth. Front and rear wipers, turning signals, fully functional. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors, automatic lights. Beautiful screen here in the center. Take a look down here. It's got 3 modes for the transmission, which is touring, snow, and sport mode. This for the lane alert. It's got a wireless charger here for your phone, a couple USBs here. The temperature, you can adjust it through these big dials here. Look how cool that is up there. You can adjust this one also, and it also shows it on the main screen on top. So you have heated seats, the controls for the vents. You can sync everything, automatic, AC, recycled air, temperature for one, temperature for the other. The fan speeds, front and rear defrost, heated seats for both. Take a look at that dash, beautiful condition. Really amazing shape all the way through. Steering wheel's leather wrapped, looks really nice. Actually, this is not leather wrapped, but it looks like if it's leather. It looks really nice. It's got these little perforated on it. Looks really nice. Nice touch. Okay, so dash is in beautiful condition. There's a push button start here. This one has the bypass button for the engine, auto stop, which is nice if you want to use that. Glove box, press the button there, opens up automatic. Really nice. Let's look at the radio real quick. AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Super nice. Go back home again. Phone settings. No phone's connected now. There's the settings for the phone. Wi-Fi hotspot, there you go. Users, you can set up users. That way everybody has their station saved and stuff. Okay, so system settings, app settings, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, collision detection, take a look. Front collision detection, alert and brake, front pedestrian detection, front and brake, adaptive cruise, and rear camera with parking symbols. Okay, super nice. Let's go back to home again. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, apps. If you want more apps, you could download those. We'll go back again here. Okay. Satellite radio, My Chevrolet, OnStar services. There you go. That's the screen, radio station, whatever's on the phone. And this is the home page. That's pretty much it. Up above here, you got a sunglass holder, programmable garage door openers, the OnStar buttons, and the passenger front airbag light, letting you know if it's on or off if you have a small child sitting there. Liner's in beautiful shape, really amazing condition. Looks really nice. Check out the visors with LEDs, super nice. Okay, that pretty much concludes our interior. Stay tuned, we're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set, take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Really nice acceleration, feels good. So smooth. Really nice. Coming up on the stop sign here, we're going to check the brakes out. Feels good. Really nice. Look at that. Amazing. All right, let's take a look here. Take off again. stop sign. Super smooth. Left is we're going to go ahead and check out the backup camera, and then we should be done. Give it a quick, let's just back up here, put it in reverse. It's in reverse, backup camera opens up. Here we go. Fantastic, look at that, amazing. Okay, that concludes our test drive. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment and take a look at those tires. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the storage area in the back, cargo area. Lock, unlock, remote start, and hatch. I'm gonna press hatch twice. There you go. Opens right up. Let's take a look inside here. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. These little handles here, you pull them forward, and the second row of seats fall forward for more storage. Really nice shape. Down beneath here, spare tire. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Let's go ahead and close the door. All right, fully functional, no issues at all. Very nice. We take a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Take a look here. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Beautiful condition, really nice shape. Rim is clean and in good condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in good condition. Very nice. We're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side looks good. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in good shape. Does have a tiny little scratch there and there. Besides that, looks beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, really nice condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Look at that, very nice. Okay, that's gonna conclude our video for this 2024 Chevrolet Blazer LT package 4-cylinder. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used autosales.com. Thanks for watching.